Welcome to Henna Sooq. Come and package and order with me today. So it looks like they've ordered a soap nut hair wash, an organic amla powder, and indigo for hair dye. Amla is amazing for hair growth. It is proven to promote longer hair. It is amazing for hair growth. Proven to work. Then we got the indigo for hair. Clients are ordering this because they want to add it to their henna. You must be using it with henna to get more of a brown or dark brown and even up to black tones using this, and it does cover gray. And then we got the soap nut hair wash. This is one of our best-selling hair washes, infused with peppermint essential oil that really clarifies the hair. It's ideal for any henna hair coloring and Ayurvedic hair mask, like before when you want to wash your hair and get it to be really open, this would be for you. It just smells amazing. Peppermint just really opens up your hair strands to receive the treatments and the color that you're about to do even better, especially for stubborn gray hair. There is no henna in this order, so I hope the client does have some henna and making sure that they're using 100% pure henna, because indigo won't work well if you're not using 100% pure henna. It's very, very, very important. Our boxes here at Henna Sooq, other than being super, super, super cute, is that we add QR codes on every box. Says Henna A, Henna Bay. Start your henna hair care journey here. And we have QR codes to get started, expert advice, and then video tutorials all in one little scan from your phone. So convenient. Put it all together. And then we're gonna add some paper. Make sure everything is super secure. Bottles are all tight and well closed, wrapped up in paper, cozy and tight. And to get their packing slip right on top of their order so they can find it easily. And then we close this and secure it, and with extra tape so that it does not open during transit. I like to use extra tape just in case. And now it is ready to go. Henna Sooq right at your doorstep.